In this video, I show you how to enable voice chat in Roblox. For doing this, what you need to use Roblox voice chat, you must be 13 years old or older. You must have verified your account either by phone number or by government ID or other age verification methods if required in your region. Voice chat must be available in your country region. Some region don't have voice chat enabled or require additional verification page. Now follow this method. Go to Roblox and tap on more. Scroll down, then tap on settings. Then privacy and content restriction. Then tap on communication. Then you can see that voice chat. Tap on enable microphone. Now tap on enable. Now I hope that you enable voice chat in Roblox.